This is it. This is a final look at my property. This is me heading out to my truck. All my videos to this point has been me walking into my property, and this one's me walking away from my property. This is my shattered dreams. Time to head back to Ohio, I guess. Do a little traveling, try making you guys some videos, but I hope you enjoyed what I was able to put out to start off with. And say goodbye to it. And the final walk to the truck. Enjoy, people. Keep the faith. Well, this is where Stone Road meets asphalt. Since I've been here in Alaska, every day I've wore these boots. They are the most comfortable things in the world. And now they're coming off for the last time. And on goes the tennis shoes. Them boots are awesome. I've never wore anything so comfortable. And I'm going to miss wearing them. But they go in the back of the truck. And no more gravel roads. That way was my old home. And this way is my way home. That is so weird. Love you, people. Love you, Alaska. Okay, so
Goodbye.
We're going to hang ourselves left here. We're going to go see if we can see anything as far as Hatcher Pass goes. Never been up there yet, so... Now the road over Hatcher Pass is closed, so we'll go whatever as far as we can go. Check it out. There is 2 YouTubers that live up off of this road. Well, one still lives up here. The other one, they moved all the way up to by Fairbanks. They still have their property here, but take a ride up here and see what we see. Yeah. Well. Stay. On my way up to Hatcher's Pass, I kind of seen this cool valley and looking out over the Takitna Range. Very beautiful, very cool. That'd be cool to hunt. Sit way up here and hunting down the hill. Hell, you could see a trail down there. There's even There's even moose poo right here in the mound. There's moose down there somewhere. Moose poo right there. Oh, God, look at that view. How could you not be in love? As I'm seeing these, and I know that as a view, this is the last time I'll get to see it. And it is ripping me apart. The feeling in my chest is horrible. It's like I just broke up with somebody. Or they broke up with me, or I don't know. It's, you know, I think about the people who grew up here, that are born and raised here. They have seen these mountains every day of their lives, and they think nothing of it. It's not a big deal to them. But I mean, that is unbelievable. When I was a kid, the first time I went through the Smokies, I thought it was awesome. I got to see the Rockies on the way to Alaska a month ago. It was awesome. They ain't even gonna come close to what is here. The beauty is just unreal. Then you go around the corner and, you know, this is what you see. Look how dark they are. That is so cool. So beautiful. I know where we're going. We're going right in that gap there. We'll be coming back through here tomorrow or the next day. Oh, probably the next day. And we'll stop at a couple of these pull-offs and check everything out then. Yeah, tide's got to be out. That's cool. Yeah, I know y'all seen it before, not a big deal. For me, this is a big deal. I got some wind down here. Oh! That was a falling rock. Son of a pup. I hope I got that on video. language, people. Just so you know, this is incredible.
In 400 feet, turn right onto Alaska 1 South.
Oh, hush up. Had to do me a pull off here. I had a rock fall off of a mountain and slam the front of my truck. Nothing looks broke. Oh yeah, broke that good. This is my view, people. This is heading south out of Anchorage. Wind's really, really ripping here. Incredible. Beautiful. So whatever it was that went through, rock, it went through pretty good. It broke it up pretty good. Whole thing is, it screwed it up. Not too bad. It only cost $170 for a new thing. That is so freaking cool. So cool, so beautiful. I can't even imagine what it'd been like for the very first people to come here and see it. We have a road. So this is the view from the balcony of my hotel room. Right now it's low tide, but it's starting to come in, it looks like. But yeah, this is, can't see the tops of the mountains, but I do have that one up there. Love y'all.